Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 119 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. The Minority Commission is going to be revived and minority boards to be established down to the Thana level. Orders have been issued direct questioning Hindu houses. The East Pakistan Chief Minister said that more such houses would be direct questioned if their owners wanted to come back and live in them. The Pakistan delegation also said that in case of complaints regarding abduction of women, officers have been directed to recover the girls immediately and send them to the neutral home in Dhaka. Strict instructions have been issued to all officers of the government that there should be no discrimination against members of the minority communities. The Pakistan delegation was of the view that these steps should ensure security and restore confidence among the minority communities, and that there should be no further cause for migration provided the Government of India cooperated. It was suggested that the Government of India should stop issuing migration certificates, in other words, seal the border. The Indian delegation was of the view that this could not be done since the Prime Minister's agreement of 1950 assured freedom of movement and protection in transit to migrants. The Pakistan delegation also expressed the opinion that one of the causes encouraging migration was the comparative ease with which a migration certificate could be obtained. There was also the attraction of the rehabilitation benefits promised by India to migrants. It was pointed out by the Indian delegation that the rehabilitation benefits given by the Government of India were quite meager and certainly not sufficient to tempt a person to give up his hearth and home. The Indian delegation also explained that migration certificates were issued after proper examination. In view of the various steps that the Pakistan government had already taken or intended to take to solve the problem, the Indian delegation also agreed that the machinery for receiving and examining applications for migration certificates will be strengthened so as to prevent abuse or exploitation of migration facilities by antisocial elements. After the conference, two representatives from each delegation were deputed to draft a joint communique. Apparently, through some misunderstanding, the first draft, which had not been approved by the Indian delegation, was released to sections of the local press, and this created some confusion. Later, the draft was discussed by the two delegations and a mutually agreed communique was released late at night on the 6th of May 1956. A copy of the agreed communique is placed on the table of the House. The two-day Indo-Pakistan Conference to consider the question of minority exodus from East Pakistan came to an end today in an atmosphere of cordiality after a full and frank exchange of views. It was also agreed that the minorities are the responsibility of the government of the country to which they belong.